Hello everyone, this project is regarding the transfer of data through light. It is named as Lifi. So here we can take a look at the setup. So first we connect our phone through a cable, aux cable, and which is directly connected to the LED light, which is taken from a torch. And we has also provided an additional supply to the light with a resistor of 10 kilo ohm and 2 watts, and connected it to the RPS, supplying 9 volts. And then the LED light which we use is a 3 watt LED light. And then we use a 5 volt solar panel which is connected to the aux and which is connected to an amplifier module. Separate any Bluetooth speaker or an amplifier module, you can connect it. So for testing purpose, first we will play some songs. As you could see, the data is transmitted through a light to the speaker. Now, if we cover the data by a solar panel, the data is not transferred. Whereas when we take it, it plays. This is the basic concept of the transfer of light. So similarly, we can transfer the internet through our lights. The main advantage of this project is that we can transfer light through data through light, which is a more secure way. For example, if we connect it with the light bulbs here or specialized lights here, only the persons in this room can can use the data through it.
Full stop. I select sir.